Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Seti. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to change Bloken sensor just using only Sudling hot gun or air hot gun SMD station. So as you see, it's not complete screen, but it is sensor touching this touching screen. So we're gonna change this touching screen without change uh, complete complete screen. So let's go step by step. First of all, remove SIM card. So after remove SIM card, watch video till end. Don't skip any step. So let's go to next step. Before you continue to second step, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell. Then you will be notified when new video uploaded. So the next step is careful step. Do it careful. So don't force anything here, because if you try to force, you will destroy many things. You will break even a complete screen. So that is why I told you have to do it careful. Open careful. Don't force. On this step, be careful when you remove these buttons, that is switch buttons. You have to do it careful. Don't force anything. To remove switch button, you must start here. Start here, then do it careful. Don't force. Like this, like this. Then when you reach here, be careful, like this. Okay, that's how to remove switch buttons without cutting it. So remove this. Do it careful. Don't cut this fiber. That is screen fiber. Don't cut it. Just do it careful. You see? So next step is to remove broken sensor or touching screen. Then after that we shall replace it with a new one. Continue watching video till end. Remember to click on subscribe button. You will be notified when new video uploaded. So for me right now I don't have enough tool, that's why I'm using this stuff. But it's okay if you have tool, then you see, do it careful. Mukingurukeho gato turebe ziraviramo cyane nyinshi. Simukadi ni bibiri. Bigenda murakingura baragisoma murarangiza nanjye ndi kurangiza ibindi. Irakora sebore kutaza gucukuza bino bukuya. Muze tube tugiye hariya amazi ateguye. None uko bitarakunda kweri bitari buze gukunda. So next step is to clean here. Make sure you clean very well. Clean here. So we're gonna use this glue. It may be in different color, uh, in different locations. So for me, I have this one. So use it careful. Don't put too much. Don't put much. ndabakubita
muraho
yego bagara mu ruhande rwo hirya y'umubyeyi
ino
buretse ntabwo amavuta amaze gusigaho hari igihe cyo kuyakoresha cyageze maze yakwangirika. Hirya gusoza bakorera
nanjye ndi gutinda
bose ariko none bino ko ntabicumbika ko bitabaho ko nabicumbika ntabwo bishoboka gucumbikwa. Hari ibintu bitajya bidushobokera kubicumbika, ibi nabyo birimo. Mbicumbitse iki kirahure ndi gushyiraho gishya gishobora kugira ikibazo.
Screen yo hejuru ni ndani
imbere
wamba deposit ya 15
gusaba ndaje gukorera. Keep phone at least 2 days, but for now I'm gonna put little pauses. After pause I remove this buns and test immediately, but it is better to keep it for 24 hours or 48 hours. It depends which model type. So here, after pause, let us test and see results.
Kevin zabaye niyo usomye niyo bandi niyo Kevin zabaye usomye niyo wayimwandikishije muri mu kazi.
Ndira rero ndaje tuzitume. Ndira ndaje tuzitume.
Kuvuga ndamubwira nuko
uhagaze mu ruhande rumwe. Simukadi ni 2 mwa. Yes. So let us test. Even I don't know password, but I will try to write some things. See, it's now okay. That is long password. Let me try again. Try password. They are asking me to wait 14 seconds to enter password. So after that seconds, you can even try again. See, you can now touch and write everything you want. Let me believe that this video is valuable to you. If you think so, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell. Then you will be notified when new video uploaded. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next day.